Good morning and welcome to the Landsupport video series. Today we are with Barbara Birli from the Austrian Environmental Agency, and we're going to talk about users' involvement in Landsupport. Hi, Barbara. Can
Hello.
you can you briefly talk about your activities with future users in Landsupport?
Yes, of course. We think here in Austria that the Landsupport platform provides a range of very interesting tools, and they are all concerned with the burning issues that we nowadays have with land use change. They are concerned with sealing, they are concerned with fragmentation, even with land degradation. And so they are also interesting for a wide number of stakeholders. The DSS tool provides outputs on different scales, and it provides outputs back in time, but it can also be used as a planning tool for the future. And other systems, they are often available just for a certain NUTS region, so they are just for a certain administrative limits. But for Landsupport, a user can select its own region of interest and draw a polygon and so get information just for a certain piece of land. And this is why it's interesting, yes, not only for scientists and but also for policymakers, for the local planners, and in what is most important in my regard, for the interested citizen. So any person, it is free to use. Any person can sit down and get information about the own village, for example, how much soil has been used, how much soil has been sealed in my own village. You can find this out using the land support system.
And how do future users see Landsupport?
Well, to be honest, I mean, it provides so much information, and in my opinion, land support you need a certain introduction in the system. There is much available. There are videos, there are texts and pictures, screenshots. But I think a certain introduction helps you so we have set up workshops and we have set up face-to-face interactions. With the workshops, we invited a larger number of interested persons. Mainly, they come from policy making or from they are yeah, scientists, also some students very interested to participate, and we introduced them in the platform and they were allowed to pose questions, and when they had problems we helped them.
And how does Landsupport benefit from these activities with future users?
Well, that's an interesting question. It's all, of course, interesting to find out what are the use cases that the users use our platform for. But we are also interested in getting the feedback because you can always make things better. And so we have set up a sheet, and the users can tell us about their experiences, about problems they had. They tell us to which regard they liked our system and whether they think that our results are also whether they are correct and whether you can trust in them.
Thank you very much, Barbara, and thanks a lot for being with us. And follow us for more updates and illustrations about the Land Support project.